ठीक है चलो कोई नहीं एटलीस्ट देखना और रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है ठीक है तो बाद में भी देख सकते हो चलो फाइन भार्गव ओके तो वी आर कंटिन्यू so today we are going to talk about what our CV yeah
Sir, second, sir.
say
Hello. Sir, just give me 2 minutes. I'll join in laptop.
okay fine. So what is going on, Chandru? What you are doing nowadays? Vaccine you have taken or not?
Yes, sir. Vaccination has been done on May 1st itself. I have taken the vaccination, sir.
May 1st.
Ah.
And what about second dose?
Second dose, like as they have told that 3 months, so I need to wait for 3 months.
Oh, 3 months or 20 or what some 15 days, 14 days like that, no?
No, it has been like very in. It is in a demand, no, sir. That's why the government has made that it's for 3 months.
Okay, which one you have taken?
Covishield.
Covishield? Okay, Covishield you have taken. Okay. Fine. Done, Bhargav?
Yeah, sir, join.
Okay, good. So today we are going to talk about what our CV preparation or resume preparation. Okay. So CV preparation, what happened? You can go to any of the website and then search for what CV template. Okay. So CV template download, you can click on it. Okay. And then you have to select any of the CV template, which should look good. It should not be filled with colors and all. Not required. Only two colors it is going to be taken. Okay. Either you can have a photo or without photo also, or white also you can go with. Or if you are going with two colors, you can check blue and white. That's all, like this, so that it should look good. Not other like red or pink or orange. Not blue and white. Okay. So what you do, Bhargav, you open a notepad or Microsoft Word pad and write it the point. The first point is that we can go to any of the website and download the CV, and the color should be one all white, or it should be blue and white. That's all. Okay. So first point, write it. Color of the CV should be a whole white or blue or white. Better go with blue and white because it looks good.
Okay.
Written?
Yeah.
Now second thing, once I have taken my template and all, okay, suppose this one or this one I'm taking. Second point you write, if there is no space for photo, then also it is good. It's not compulsory that they are going to go for photo. If there is photo, then it is well and good. And right to keep the photo passport size, small only, and only face. No glasses, nothing like that. Or no pose, nothing like that. Right. The second point, for keep passport size photo small, or if no space, then also okay. Fine. Professional passport photo. Okay.
Yeah.
Now third point is that you need to have only one single page, okay, one single page resume or this I can say CV, only one single page, not more than that.
One page.
Try to, yeah, one page only.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Only one page, not more than that.
Yep.
Okay, come one minute. Then we need to give what? We need to give a summary. Okay? Summary in the sense, suppose somebody is having 5 years of an experience. Okay? So below that we can write this as a summary I'm writing. Okay? And I can write over there software developer with 4.5 years of an experience.
Okay, summary should be our past experience.
No, not past. Suppose I'm still currently I'm doing it. Summary is what?
Yeah.
What you have done in this, how many years of an experience you have, what you are currently right now, okay? And currently where you are working, okay? And what all operations you do. Very short. So that is, suppose I am having 4.3 of an experience, I'll write software developer with 4.3 of an experience, data analyst with 4.3 or 4 years of an experience, currently working in some government organization, and the name of organization in very short, like that, or data oriented, like that you can write it. Okay, so including your past plus present, you have to write a summary. Okay.
Okay.
Overall, just that, as like we have no book summary, story summary, same way. Okay, including past plus present. Okay, designation you can write, and current company name. Fine. Your summary part has been done. Written the point. It should not be more than 200 words. Not more than that. Try to
Okay.
keep one para only. One para. Write it down. Summary needs to be one para, not more than that. Or if you have, suppose in my case, if I'm saying I'm working in a government organization as well as I give online classes. So what I will do, all the government organization work I will write in one para, and then in the online classes one I will write in second para. Then on weekends I take classes, like that. Fine, but try to keep it characters to be 200 only, not more than that. Fine.
Yeah.
Now your summary part has been done. Then what you have to do? Then you have to do with the experience. Okay. So job title you will write it. Okay. Job title you will write it. Company you have to write it. Okay.
Sir,
Mhm.
the same thing we have written in summary now.
No. Here you have to give. That is, here you have to give from which date to which date you are working, and what is your
Oh.
project we have done. Make
Okay.
sense? In
Yeah.
summary, you have given overall from your starting, as I told, past, present. All your
Yeah.
summary will contain all the content. Means in suppose 3 company you have changed it. So first company, second company, third company, their details. Okay, exactly the designation, what you are doing it, or currently focusing on present basically, but you have to include the work of a past also. Okay, but in employment history or experience you will write the name of a company, when to when you have started. Okay, from when to when you have started it out, 2018 suppose, and then 2020. Okay, and then 06. Okay, and then you will write over here project and achievement. Okay, here you have to describe it very detail in the sense what all projects you are doing in currently in your organization. In that, okay, in that what you have to mention it, you don't have to write that I am a software developer or I am creating a software. That is not going to make any impact. Okay, so in that what you will write it that, or you have created a software for the public domain, like that, software which has been used by more than 2 million users. Like that you have to write it. Is it making sense? I have created the same thing. A software only I have created, but the way of representing is different over here. I will be writing that I have created software created for software for 2 million users. Software created for 2 million users, like that. Okay, or software for open source, like that. Okay, software which help out 100 peoples to get their job, like that. Or app which is used to get solve the delivery problem, like that. Making sense? One point will be this, means you need not have to show what you have made it, what impact your creation or your innovation has made, that you have to focus on. Okay, so suppose I am writing developed software for 2 plus millions users. Okay, in this what I will do, I will highlight 2 plus million user. I'll make a bold of it, so that people can see, okay, what is this 2 plus million user? Okay, he has developed a software for them. Okay, now second thing is that if any software is already developed by some past employee, and I got a role to upgrade it up, so what I will write, I won't write updated answer. I won't write updated. I won't write updated the software, like that. I won't write it. I will write instead of them software performance increased by 300%, like that. Okay, by my logic, like that you can write it. Means you, as the same scenario is there, that you will here in this end performance increase, that you have to make as a bold over there, that you have to make, means software performance is increasing over there. So you have to make underline it or bold it, everything you have to do it in, so that people will be seeing and focusing on that only. That okay, 2 million users, he has done something, he knows how to handle 2 million user software. Okay, he is able to increase the performance by 300%, like that. So the, as I told again, that we need not have to show what I have developed it. We have to show that what it actually impacted, where it got help it out in the people scenario, how he has helped it out, or how the software performance got increased. That is the main focus. Making sense? So write
Yes.
all the points, and then what you have to do it, you have to underline also the main words, main characters which you mean to, which is you want the users to get attracted. Okay, then you have to write the education. What you have to do, education you can write it down, or what you have to do it, you can write in this side also. No need to write the, if your main focus will be your employment only, what project you have done and all those things. Okay, second will be your education. So education, what you can do, you can write on this left side also. Okay, now one more thing, after summary you can write a skills. Okay, that is much more important. After summary, what you will do, you will write a skills, means what all technologies you know. So I knows Python, I knows SQL, that you have to write over there. I knows Windows OS. Okay, those things you have to write. So first block you have to write summary. Second block you have to write skills. Okay, what all the skills you write. Third block you have to write the like company detail. Okay, which will the company you worked at, and what are the points you have developed, what are the projects you have developed and your achievement. These three are going to take your whole right part of it. Okay, right part of it, it will take it. Now on the left side, what you have to do it, here you can write your name, or a small picture you can give it, okay, and you have to write your name. Then here you have to write your phone number, okay, your phone number, email ID. So I can write software developer and data analyst like that. Okay, your phone number, and no need to write the address. The address is not required, or you can write only your state currently, Hyderabad. That is more than important, not beyond that. Like flat number, this, street number, this, these, not required. Only Hyderabad, comma India, you can do it. That is max, not beyond that. Okay, they are not going to deliver something. If they required your address, they will ask for afterward. Okay, so no need to write more about it. One you have written over it. Now if you have some project you have uploaded on the GitHub, you can write over there. You can take your LinkedIn profile and you can write over there. Okay, if you have some YouTube channel, you can write link of that. That is over here. That's all, nothing else. Now here you will write what? Here you will write the education. Okay, here you write the education summary. You will write the like what again skills you will write below the summary only. Don't write in this side. Education I am writing it, and no need to. Okay, this is education basically, so I'll write BTech, CSC, like that. If you add, you have to give, you can give the year. Okay, what year you have completed your BTech. That is, if your marks is good, percentage is good, then you can show that also. That I have scored 85, 90% like that. Okay. If your marks is not so good, no need to write the marks. Just write the degree and the year you have completed it. No need to write for 10th year. You can write 10th. You can write your 12. Okay. If you have marks good, then you can write it. Else don't need to write the marks over. Okay. Once you have done, for the last degree, year you have to write it. That is more important. Okay. After that, in languages, if you are having spaces, then you can write the languages. Okay, and that's all. Which all language you you know, that all you can write it. Not like I know only fluent language, I am expert in this, I am very, the bubbles kind of things not required. Okay, keep your resume or CV as simple as you can. No need to make design and flowers, and those things are not also required. Okay, so like this you have to develop, and then you can send it to me. I'll just rectify it, I'll make some improvement over there, and start posting and start giving interviews. Okay,
Sir,
after
personal information, tell once again, sir.
in personal information you have to write your name, full name you will write it. If you are have software, what you are your work is software developer and data analyst, okay, that you can write it, or you can skip it also, no problem. Okay, phone number you can give it. Two phone number is max, not more than that. Okay, if you are having landline, one cell phone, that is more than that. Okay, then in your address, you can write Hyderabad, India. That's all. The state name and the country. That's all. Not more than that. This flat number, nothing is required. And then you have to save it. That's all. Make sense?
Yep. Sir, but right side, if we have multiple projects, like I work for two companies and we'll be having two different clients projects, and also it won't be enough in that one page, I think.
No, you have to manage like that only. See, no need to write, only write the title of it and project, what impact it makes it. That is more
Mhm.
important. It's not important that I have taken the data, I've analyzed it up, I was like I'm taking the traffic data on the daily basis. That is not required. What is required in that? That I have analyzed the data and my data conclusion came like this. Data conclusion means what? We find it out, or I find it out that metro users are more as compared to road users. Okay, Something you have to show. The impact you have to show it. Don't write more than one line or two lines. Your project detail. Not more than two lines. Your project detail. And their main focus will be what? What exactly the result has came. Not what you have done. The result. How good it improves the performance. That is the thing, main thing. Fine.
Yep.
So you have to be concerned over there. So here in this case, what I'm doing is that I've written what? Developed software for 2+ million users, end users like that. So this shows what? That I have developed the software. I know the development skills. I know the development skills that I have. Second thing is that I can handle a huge kind of a traffic also. I can handle huge users also. That is the main thing. And this is the one which will attract the user. Not you have developed the software. Daily everyone is after within like 1 minute everyone is going to develop some software only. So what is the difference between them and you? So, but they are not writing that I have created for 2 million users. They are writing, okay, fine, I have developed the software. But my software is something special which has been used by 2 million users. Then they will cross question and ask to you how it is going to work and what is the exactly. At that moment of time, you have to explain it in the detail. Okay, in the detail you have to explain it. But in your this, not more than two lines is. Two line is more than enough. And wherever points are feeling attractive, underline it up or bold it up, bold and underline like that. Fine. Any doubt? Chandru, any doubt?
Sir, in the same manner, I have prepared my resume, sir. I will send you tomorrow in the morning time.
Sure, sure. Send it to me so that you can rectify. Now after your resume has been set up, okay, coming to Naukri.com and all, start applying it. After 20 interviews, you will be cracking each and every interview. Okay, so just for the experience purpose, go and like keep on just don't no need to ask about the salaries and all in the starting. Just say, okay, I know this all the concept. I know this language. I'm open for interview, and no need to concern in the initial days what the company is doing, what they are doing, how what will be the project. Nothing. Just for the practice, for a mock test kind of thing. Okay, you have to give the interview. After 20 interviews, you will be able to know, okay, these are the main questions in each and every interviews they are asking. So you will be knowing the pattern to crack the, okay, any kind of an interview. After that, only 20 interviews, you will be able to crack any interview easily, very easily. Okay, okay. After that, you will be able to, what I can say, after that you will be able to track it interview. So start giving interviews from the initial days itself. I am saying you start giving interviews and all. Okay, you start giving it. Wherever you stuck, let me know me. You just message me up. I'll tell you how. Okay, I'll give my points so that which I am thinking that it can be helpful. That I will be giving the point over there. Okay, those things points I am going to give it. Hope it helps you out, and my blessing will be always there. I am always there to help you out, guys. Okay, anyhow we have to create our own company in the coming days. First we can go in the startup and we can learn it and all, but we will be connected and we have to create our own. That is much better than doing the job for others. Okay, here if you are putting 300 effort in your own company, you will get worth of 300, isn't it? You are putting 10% effort, you will get for 10% only. So that is much good as compared to others. Fine.
Yes.
Any other
Yes.
doubt anyone has?
Sir, what about that job you were told in the morning?
What about the?
Job. Totally no, sir.
Okay. That job. Okay. That job I'll say you. I'll refer you what I can say. You two guys number. Okay. And let me ask to them once. Okay. I'm planning for that only. If they are willing to take in the sense, if they are going to ask, I will say that I have two potential candidate. Okay. And I'll give you a number. Once they say okay fine we are ready to interview and all those things, then I'll give you how to give the answers and all those things, how to explain any of that, and what all questions mostly they will ask and like that. Fine. So then I'll take you how to do that also. Okay.
Fine, sir.
Yep.
Thank you.
So let me ask. I like in the morning I was thinking of that only. Let me ask to them. I have 2 3 companies in my mind. Then I'll let you know. I'll give them at least one or two. I give them your reference to take an interview. For before that, you start applying for Naukri.com. Every Naukri.com in every day you can apply 50. I think so. 50 is a quota. 50 jobs you can apply. So start doing that. Daily apply 50. Nothing, no wrong is there. Okay? Any other doubt? So you have written that, Bhargav, you have written that word, points by points. Okay, this making CV you have
I
written, no?
sent.
Okay, let me see. Good, thank you. Good. Color of the CV should be blue and white. Yeah, blue is looking good. As per my, blue is gives some impression, a good impression. Simply white is also not red like ugly. Photo is not mandatory, but if you want, it should be professional photo. Good. CV should be only one page. Good, excellent. Summary should be very short, which include our past and present working experience. It should not be more than 200 words. Good. Should be fit in one para. Okay, good. Next come up our employee. Next come with what this skills basic.
Yep. That I mentioned it last.
Okay. Because we will focus on this. Okay. So 7th will be there. Then next come up our employment history, which includes name of the company, date and projects and achievement. Important points need to be bold, no, bold
Yeah.
and more focus, on impact of my project. Okay, what impact it has made it. That is more focus. If you don't, if you not write it that software developer, it's not going to make any sense. Instead of that, if you write it that uh, uh, developed a software for 2 million users, that will be useful. Or sending message to 2 millions of script made to send message to 2 plus millions user, like that. That will be more useful. Okay. Left side of CV, name, professional information like name, address, mail, mobile, and address. Address, just state and country. That's all. Not like that. Your district name, nothing is required. Okay. Keep simple. Keep as simple as you can keep the whole. Education detail, marks not mandatory. Good. Year is mandatory, but year is mandatory. But last degree year is mandatory. Last year, last degree year is mandatory because they will say that. Spoken language, good. And one more thing is that fifth one, keep your CV as simple Simple and informative. Okay, just 1 minute, guys. हाँ बोलिए, पढ़ा रहे हैं, बताइए क्यों? 5 मिनट हो जाएंगे। हाँ, अच्छा ठीक है, 5-10 मिनट हो जाएंगे। Simple and informative means it should give information about you. Okay. Now make your CV like that and then send it to me once and start uploading on the two websites are basically there. One is naukri.com, okay, second is highrisk.com. These two are very good. Okay, once you get familiar, once you get trained in these two, then others I'll say you where to apply them. Anyhow, this two is more than enough. This you can get lots of easily jobs a lot you will get. Fine.
Yep.
Any doubt, anyone? Okay. Okay, Chandu, so be prepared. I want you to first get a new job as soon as possible because you
Yes,
are
sir.
having a good technical background, theoretical background degree. Then also, I don't know why you are with this right now. You should have been earning more than me also, I think so. You
Like,
won't,
this is this.
you, you, you won't,
I think.
you won't, no, you won't lose Bhargav, I know, because Bhargav is earning more than me. But what I can say,
Ah,
but at least you can
more than you.
lose me. What are you saying,
Sir,
Bhargav?
no need of
Sir,
job, sir.
I'm earning more than you.
Ah?
How
even
come, sir?
even Bhargav is having girlfriend also. I don't have girlfriend also. See, so
Sir,
every
Sir,
in
no
both
need of
his
job.
hand, in both his hand, in one hand he is having girlfriend, another hand money more than me. Batao.
sir, where is money, sir? No money.
Okay,
Girlfriend is,
okay.
but no money.
Because all money you are giving to your girlfriend. That's the reason you don't have.
Mm-hmm.
And see, just unlike you, Chandru is there. Chandru too also have a girlfriend, but his girlfriend is spending on him. You know.
अरे सर नहीं चाहिए सर.
ठीक है. Okay, then guys, best of luck. Start doing and start giving interviews. Most important. Okay. This will the way you are creating CV will 100% get make you shortlisted in most of the companies and all because they what I have told you right now they are focusing only on that that can help you all. Okay. Chalo, what I'll do it this I will save and I'll send into your Gmail or 1 minute or should I say where we have that. Okay, I'm just saying to what this. Chandru, you just send this to our Gmail. Fine, Chandru?
ठीक है
I'm
सर.
sending you. And Gmail is there. Or, fine. Or you can, what I'll say. Or I'll keep in my GitHub also. There also you can upload it. Okay. Fine then. We will be. Okay, you just guys make the CV, send it to me, and then we will take time. No need to worry. Take time, and then within 1 or 2 days, just send me. Then I'll see what to do next. Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay then. Bye bye.